we're on this longer term arc toward price controls, and people are trying to argue who can do more, who can give away more, who can have direct negotiation, import from overseas, do away with patents, NIH taxes. There's all sorts of things being thrown out there, but both sides, both from the Trump administration as well as from the candidates themselves, both are bad news for pharma. Really?
So that surprises me. Michael, you want to take that on?
Yeah, hey, no, thanks. So I think that on the Democrat side, there's definitely going to be a lot of fear and a lot of fireworks this week. Obviously, Bernie Sanders and to a lesser degree Kamala Harris, I think, are more of a problem for biotech investors. Joe Biden, I would note, obviously a lot more moderate, just wants to kind of go back to Obamacare. And then I think that we view, at least in the biotech community, as Trump a lot more rhetoric, certainly wants to go after these companies, but probably also a businessman and a deal maker, probably with a Republican Senate, not going to be as bad as we think.
How do you feel about a Biden or a Harris?
Yeah, I think Biden is more on the moderate side, and I think people are realize that probably goes more back to an Obama-type administration, and I would actually think stocks will rally on that. In fact, one of the arguments when the debate started was if Biden starts to heat up, that was actually a good thing for biotech stocks.
David?
Yeah, I mean, just look at what Biden did during the Obama administration. Ask yourself, during Obamacare, that whole thing was put through. What happened to drug prices? Certainly didn't go down. So I would say that industry likes a Trump or Biden decision just because they think that they're a little bit more malleable to the industry. But I'd say that's a mistake. I think change is coming.
You think change is coming for real this time?
Yeah.
I mean, as a reporter, I don't opine, but my experience covering this for 10 years is that change doesn't actually happen. So there's a lot of talk. And guys, I'd be curious to know this executive order that has rumored that Trump is going to put out on drug prices. Mike, do you think it's actually coming, and how bad could it be?
Yeah, so, you know, everyone is walking on eggshells waiting for this Trump executive order. Probably going to be a lot more bark than bite. This is what we've seen, I think, constantly, Meg, is we see a lot of different things, whether it was the drug blueprint, right, whether it was Azar's comments, whether it was IPI, stocks kind of go down, they bounce and rally, and then we find out nothing really happens, go away for recess, come back in September, have a lot more talk about it, and wonder if anything's actually going to get done. That's my view on it. Okay,
Michael, we got literally 10 seconds. Final word to you.
Look, we like Gilead into the print tomorrow. We like Vertex into the print later this week. I think both of those stocks are good stocks on the recovery to move higher in a tough environment.